Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make cheese parantha. For the cheese parantha, all we'll be needing is some cheese, some sliced onions, and some green chilies. For the flour, I've added in whole wheat flour, 2 cups, and some salt to taste, about 1/4 teaspoon of oil, and about 7 to 8 ounces of cold water. And now I'm just going to knead it. And now once you knead it all in, you want to add some oil on top of your fingers and gently just spread it out all over where your dough will not stick while you're rolling it out. Take 2 small portions of the dough, make it into a small round ball, dust it with some dry flour, and start rolling it. You don't want to roll it too much, just a little bit, because you want to fill in your stuffing. For the stuffing, I'm going to add some cheese, some onions, some green chilies, and following that, I'm going to add a sprinkle of red chili flakes. You can use some red chili powder. I didn't have any left, so I'm using this. This is also a very great option to use. And then some sprinkle of cumin seed. Now for the finishing part, I'm going to dust a little bit more flour and put it on top of the cheese. Now I'm going to dust it again with some flour on both sides and then roll it out gently. And so this is what it looks like once it's rolled out. My flame is at medium to high speed. Once it starts heating up, you want to make sure that you're going to flip it when you see the bubbles underneath. Give it a nice drizzle of oil, spread it out evenly, and then repeat the step again one more time. And there you see the nice golden crust. You don't want to cook it too much. Just flip it a few times. And then it's ready to eat. So I'm going to end my vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me as much as I enjoyed cooking for you all. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you can get my latest updates. Till then, keep safe and I hope to see you back for my next vlog. Bye now.